Mary from Two Tiny Wings here, and because Mary is here instead of Pete, we are going to do another little unboxing. If you saw our last video, we unboxed a pin from Wishes Candle Company, and we're back! Today, we got the California Citrus Fields candle. Now, first let's talk a little bit about what this smells like. It is notes of jasmine fruit, neroli, and orange blossoms. What do you think it smells like?
Honeysuckle.
Yes. This is not the citrus field smell that you're gonna get from soaring over California. This is definitely a honeysuckle. That being said, we've been burning it in our home for the past week. It has smelled phenomenal. Phenomenal. And the bonus with these is, yes, there is a pin. Now, this is what the pin looks like when it burns through.
It comes in a little tinfoil package protecting, and inside, I'm assuming just like the last one, it'll have a little plastic bag that protects your pin from all the oils.
Yes. Now, as you burn down the candle, the pin will gradually be revealed. I would say this was about 15 hours of burn time before we actually got the pin. So let's open it up and see what we got.
Yay! No. This one we waited a bit so the wax is cold. Oh no.
I realized the last one I was slinging around a candle with wet wax in it. So, you know.
We're gonna need a vacuum.
It's okay. It's okay. Push on there.
Is that Oogie Boogie?
I think it's a good movie.
Let's see. So when you open up the semi-waxy outside covering, you'll see that there is an inside covering of a little plastic bag, so your pin is extra protected, which we appreciate. Just rip her open. Just okay, just hold there. That's why we can do that. Ooh, it is Oogie Boogie. There we go. We got a little green Oogie Boogie, and
It looks like it's like
he's pushing
popcorn?
people.
Yeah, it doesn't say it's part of a collection.
Let's look it up and see what we can find out about this pin. So after a little bit of research, here's what we were able to find out about this pin. This is from the 2012 Hidden Mickey series, Popcorn Turner's Main Street. There is a collection, and all of these characters are turning the little popcorn that you see on the other side. So this is awesome. We are incredibly, incredibly happy. We will definitely be doing this again. We have 2 more candles. Now, what's really cool about Wishes Candle Company is when you log onto the site, you can spin a wheel and then get a coupon code. Sometimes it's 50% off. I've gotten 20% off. I think there's a 10% off on there. And then if you use that code in the next 15 minutes, it will apply to your order. So I did that with both of my orders. I will probably do it with my next order. We have been very, very happy, and I can't wait to see what the next candle brings. So, definitely comment if you burn your own wishes candles. What pins have you gotten? Like this video, subscribe to see all of our adventures, and with that,
We invite you to set your imaginations free.